fuckos and fuckettes and little mini fuckos and little mini fuckettes? Yeah, you may wonder what this is, kids. It's a boo-boo. Yeah, it was from Rick Boy. But guess what? Your mommy took care of that. Yeah, so, do me a favor. When your mama says your uncle was around, you tell daddy it was Chef. Today, I'm joined by a very special guest. Yes, our Mexican is here. We found him. So we're taking you back to deal with the papers and the beer. Yeah, that's no longer on the table. He took all the papers and the beer. So yes, he's legal. He's got his green card. Now you can explain to the people why you were gone. Because I still haven't heard this fucking story.
Honestly, I was walking down the street and they thought I was illegal, and fucking 2 vans just pulled up and just threw me in. Next thing I was in fucking Mexico, bro. I don't know what happened.
And there you have it. That's what Mexico can do for you.
Sí, Mexico.
So now, let's get this finished.
Maria.
No, it's beef. Yeah, smooth. Yeah, this is steak. You want a ribeye or a fucking tomahawk without the hawk? You just want the tama without the hawk. Then, what else am I gonna need? I am not touching that. Okay, you're gonna need a sourdough baguette, okay? Why sour? Because it smells like his yeast. What's next? Yes, green onions, yes. This is what we need. It's specific in his region. In
Mexico.
That's where your region's at?
Mexico.
Oh, well, fuck. I was going to say in Guadalajara, but fuck it, in Mexico. I was going to give specifics, but you just want to get broad and shit.
Casablanca, Mexico.
Casablanca.
Casablanca, Mexico.
You have a White House in Mexico?
Casa, Mexico.
Anyways, the green onions, yes, you're gonna need that. What else? Yes, he smuggled most of this shit back for us. Yes, was in his pants, so that's why he smelled it. It smells like cheese. But no, you're gonna want fresh jalapenos, not stuffed jalapenos with cream cheese or cheddar cheese. Regular jalapeno. Then, what else? You're gonna need chichis. 2 of them, not just 1, but 2.
Chich.
No, we're gonna need tomatoes. Okay, let's get serious here. Too much fucking around.
Okay.
It's not good.
Estas.
You just spoke English, now you speak Spanish?
Sí.
What else we're gonna need?
Jalapeno?
No, these are yellow hots.
Jalapeno.
I don't know what the fuck these are really called. They're like...
Jalapeno.
No, these are jalapenos.
Estas jalapeno.
They call it jalapeno because it's a leprechaun dick. That's what they call it in Ireland. No, leprechaun. Small guy.
Oh,
Yeah.
poquito.
Rainbow, gold. This is his dick. So that's what they call it, a jalapeno. That's how they say it in Irish. Then you're gonna need some yellow peppers, like a Chinese man. Okay. What else? What's that?
Chameleon.
It's a mango. It's a mango and it comes from...
Chameleon.
That's the brand, okay? But yes, you're gonna need a fucking mango. Specifically one half red and half green on one side. Okay? Why? Because this is the only fucking mango I found. So if you can find one to match it, send me a picture next to your tits. Thank you.
It's the Halloween.
It's a habanero.
Pumpkin.
Pepper.
Okay.
Bite it. Taste it. I told you. See? Is it Halloween? We're gonna need some habaneros. Habaneros is what we need. Okay? You're gonna need some habaneros to make this shit good and tasty. So stay tuned. We're gonna fuck your day up and let's get high. So you guys seem to like that whole thing where, where I get high with you. When I roll with you and I get high with you. I thought it was pretty cool. So the producers thought it would be pretty cool to do it again. I hope that fat fuck can be supplying this weed as much as he can because I'm gonna smoke it all. Anyways, now you take your war wrappers, okay? War. You take the first paper and you throw it. Nobody wants that shit. And you take this paper and you crunch it. Nobody wants that shit. So I'm a little weird, alright? I roll my shit backwards, inverted, towards me, alright? For you kids out there, this is lettuce. You can try it with hay, lettuce, anything. Just kidding. That's a fucking kidding, I swear. Anyways, you want to take your fucking doob, you roll it up. And if you find a doob, kids, you tell your parents you found a doob. Alright? You don't want to do that shit, okay? You want to pinch this shit off at the top. This is the R-rated part of the film. Kids should not be watching this part. I stress. Pre-warning, kids should not be watching this part. I don't know why I mentioned you kids, but fuck it, I did. Truth.
Forgive me.
You just looking at it. So, y'all may know what this is if you've been with us for a while. If you haven't, this is my abuela's grinder. Yes, she used to grind her fucking weed in this. Every day. Every night. And every holiday. You want to get some peppers, seeds. You want about 40 to 50. I didn't count, but that's how many you should want, okay? And then like coarse grind a bitch. Okay, this is like blunt wrap grind here, okay? Okay. That's what she did. That was a little prayer she did. I don't know why. She thought she was cool as fuck. I did it. Now you want to get your salt. But first, before you get that shit, you want to get some oil. And you'll put that on the steak. Both sides, okay? Both fucking sides. And then you want to rub that oil around the steak. Get it all the way around. Coat the fucking thing with oil, okay? And you wash your hands because we practice safe fucking sex over here. And if you don't have clean fucking fingers when you're fucking fingering a girl, kids, it's not cool. Learn to wash your fucking hands before you finger anybody. Rule number 1. That's sex ed with Chef. Now, let's get back to business. Now, you want to grab your salt and pepper and put it on the steak. Okay, this is kosher salt. Be very careful in how much you put of the salt. Okay, too much salt is too bad for you. It's just bad. So then you put some pepper on this bitch. Okay, you put a lot of it. Okay, and then wait. You wonder why I didn't put this fucking thing away, right? Well, yeah, because you want to put some whole peppercorn on there, okay? And you want to spread them out evenly, you know. You want to mingle them with the other peppers, you know. We're a diverse company here. Okay. And you want to push those ingredients down on there. Then, before you pre-press, though, you should have done this. Put ground mustard. Okay, you want to put that in there, and you just want to dance with the steak. Okay, you want to dance with the steak. If you don't pick up your steak and dip it like a real man, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Nothing. Flip it. Same thing. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. The mustard. You roll the fucking sides in that shit. Now, your meat should look like that. Okay? Then when you're gonna take this meat and you want to put it on your preheated grill mechanism here. It's a pan. Now we'll cut away and we'll come back and I'll throw it on the grill for you. So at this point, this shit should be roaring like fucking like a pretty pussy in the middle of a jungle on a hot Serrera day. That's how fucking heated this should be. And yes, I'm gonna become the next Steve Irwin. So watch out, cracky. Yeah. So you want to take your steak. Boom! You flip that bitch upside down. Okay? Then you want to get your pepper. You finish peppering up the steak because we lost some pepper. I mean, technically we didn't lose pepper because you see it on the plate. But we lost pepper today. She was a beautiful bitch. So you want to let that fucking char up. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use some garlic salt powder. Either one, whatever you want to call it. That shit, that magical shit. You want to put your finger back in its fucking safe hole because we don't want it to get hurt. Then you're going to watch your steak burn and get crispy and brown. and cook that. Yes. That's how beautiful that steak is. I just lost my train of thought. It's fucking crazy. But anyways, brown that shit, flip it, and then we'll put it in the oven for a boil on low for about 10 minutes, and then you'll see what we're gonna do next. Because I didn't even explain the dish to you. It's gonna be a fucking piece of bread with some steaks and then some salsa on top. That's what it is. It's steak bread with salsa on top. So it's been about fucking 3 minutes, and you want to flip that bitch, and it should look fucking like that, okay? And that's why you put a lot of pepper on there, so you can get that real charry shit, okay? Because the char is like fucking black tar heroin. It's like crack. Everybody wants that shit on a steak. Now, you want to take your finger guard off because you don't want to get caught up in the flame. Now, this is very important. You take your steak, put it this way down. Come, turn the heat off for a second. We're going to use that again. You want to get in the oven, and you want to put that bad bitch in the fucking broiler on low for about 10 more minutes, okay? See that timer? Watch, I'm gonna forget and it's gonna say 3 o'clock and then we're gonna have a fucking charred steak. I bet you. Now, after you got done pointing at your cameraman, you wanna put your fucking finger guard back on. You wanna turn your heat up. You wanna grab these motherfucking bad bitches here, your chi-chis, and you wanna put them on the grill. Okay? It's very important you wanna warm these bad boys up to split the skin. Because a tomato with whole skin is no good. In the Mexican culture, is no good. You gotta have a split skin tomato for the salsa. Then you're gonna put the jalapenos, the habaneros, the onions, the fucking yellow peppers, and the fucking mango in that shit. Blend it up, and it's gonna be scrumptious. Now stay tuned, because we're gonna get crazy here. See, I told you you were gonna come back and almost find me with a burnt steak. Well, I hate to burst your fucking bubble, but it's not. It's a beautiful fucking steak, okay? So you wanna lay your steak there and let it rest. Let it catch some Z's for about 15, 20 minutes. You wanna put your finger guard on. And you wanna come back over here, put your abuela's grinder together. And you want to say a prayer because you put it back where it belongs. And then you want to wait for your Mexican to get over here so that we can get this shit started. So we're going to make a basic salsa. Get over here. You're going to add 2 tomatoes. Okay. Cover that. Push the button. Push it. Down, fucker. Okay, you blend the tomatoes up. Okay, and we're gonna slowly start adding shit. Okay. Oh. Gonna add a jalapeno and an onion and a fucking yellow hot first. I'm gonna mix that shit around. It's gonna be fucking crazy. Add that shit in there, bro. Add the fucking onions. The onions, bro. More, yes. Okay. Now we have our salsa here. It's like more like a sauce, not a salsa, but it smells fucking fantastic. It smells like a Mexican hooker at 2 a.m. with a taco between her coochie. That's a good ass salsa. It's a little hot, but it's good. Very important. When you look at a mango, you just look at it. You don't want to judge it, because a judgy mango is not a happy mango. That's what the chef always used to tell me at chef school, even though I didn't go to chef school. Yeah. I don't know why I never did it. You know, I'm pretty fucking, you know, I'm pretty fucking good at what I do, dude. You know. I thought, you know, I would be a piece of shit, but obviously not. You know, I got almost 1,000 viewers and shit. Fuck. Oh, you gotta be a man when you're cutting mangoes and cut the pit. If you don't, you're not a man. Okay, simple. Okay, you just wanna cut the mango into some mango pieces. So you wanna make sure all of that is off. Okay, that's the pit. We don't want that. So scrape that all out. Okay. Now, I never really thought this part through, but you just slice it down. Okay, fuck it. And then we're gonna depeel it. Okay, maybe we'll just use the knife and then we'll fucking fillet your finger off. Okay. Cut some mangoes, take the skin off, you know. That's how we do it. Yeah, we'll just B-roll this part because it's gonna take fucking forever. Get your fucking French dick of a bread here. Yeah, I think that's what baguette means in French, is fucking dick. Now I see why you girls like these fucking French men. Hung like a fucking horse. You want to get about a fucking A section of an A section of this bread. And what I mean is a third. That's an A section in cooking. So you guys didn't know. A section is thirds in cooking. So you get your shit, you put that other shit on the side, you get this, and you want to cut down halfway, all the way down, all the way through. Okay, don't be no bitch, cut through the bread. Okay. Now that you got your bread cut, we're gonna take this bread holding mechanism here and we're gonna add it to that pan that's heating up over here. fucking steak has had proper time to get some Z's in and leave it fucking wet as fuck. You see that? That's some wet shit. You want to cut it off the fucking steak bone. And you want to leave that bone either for your dogs, your Mexican who works for you, or you can save it for a stew. Then you want to get your fucking steak or cut it down the middle. Go over here with the steak, you want to cut it down. Little chunks, little strips. That's what we want. Okay, anyways, now that you see the meat, like I said, it's got proper time to rest. So it's pretty much well done. It's not what we want. I fucked up. You want red, medium inside. Okay? Still good. Just chop this up and we're ready to plate. It's assemble time, buckos. We're done. Yeah, I'm done with this fucking whole shit. Meaning, I'm done with this cooking. Doesn't this look fucking very good?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Don't fucking play me stupid. You were just speaking English earlier.
Honestly, dude, this is the only English I know, and the explanation, that's really about it.
Who the fuck taught you that?
Yeah?
Okay, more on that later. But right now we're gonna get back to the show, and now we're gonna try what I cooked. Now, let me watch you put my meat in your mouth. No, this one, you sick fuck. Always trying to suck some dick. Say Mexico, bro.
Warm.
So by the way the Mexican sounds, it sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. I gotta put a little expert shit on there because you know, us cooking experts need all of the ingredients together in order to inform you how to properly eat your food. There you go, folks. Almost died right there. That's a steak. That's him. Later. Good night.